Welcome back, guys. So, after this much theoretical practice, we are finally going to solve the dark web. So, as you know, for security reasons, the domain names of websites registered on the deep dark web are gibberish. You can see the domain names are just random numbers and alphabets mixed together. So, these domain names are really difficult to remember. To solve this kind of issues, there are several websites on the deep dark web which acts as a dictionary containing several domain names which are categorized according to the services they provide. And the best part about this website is all the domains listed are live and legit. This type of websites are known as the hidden wikis. In this lecture, we are going to explore the hidden wikis. So, without wasting any time, let's go to our computer screens. So, here we are on our computer screens. Let's quickly start Tor. It will not take that much time as it first took when we were starting it for the first time. So use a mask user Tor. Actually, I'm going to open the .onion site of DuckDuckGo. This is the DuckDuckGo onion link. Don't worry, all those links will be given to you in a separate, we can say, file, or I'll attach these things in resources section of this lecture. So we are going to open the hidden wikis. Actually, for the sake of this lecture, we are only going to open two hidden wikis, but in reality there are many of them. You can find them by just searching like hidden wiki on the surface net, but we are only going to open two of them. So hidden wikis are structured links you can find on the dark web. These are separated according to the topics they offer, according to the services they offer. Actually, dark web is not made for this kind of stacking, so it's all shattered up and in a very, what can we say, jumbled links are there on the dark web. So here are the two hidden wikis. See, many links will be there. Hidden wiki online, hidden wiki URLs. See, there are many links, many links in both the hidden wikis actually. So editor specs, very nice to read. Praise of Hawala, anonymous volunteer, how you can volunteer in this hidden wiki programs. Introduction points. These are just the search engines offered by the dark web. Ahima.fi, DuckDuckGo, Tor links. Torch is quite famous. Not Evil is also good because it censors all the, we can say, adult content actually of the dark web. Financial services. Hidden wallet, Tor, anonymous Bitcoin hidden wallet, or cash machine you can find here. Fished, PayPal, NetSeller, Skrill, BOA, Wells, Frago bank accounts. These are all illegal stuff. See, anonymous user friendly Bitcoin wallet or mixer, or we can say Bitcards, the most trusted credit card store on the dark web. See, these are all illegal services on the dark web. 24/7 automated PayPal and credit card shop, new stock every day. So here you can buy stolen PayPal and credit card accounts. Queens, Cash or Black Store, Horizon Store, prepaid cards, commercial services. See, guns dark market, guns market to buy guns, full auto assault rifles, pistol, even grenade launchers. Said that if you want to find anything on the dark web, you can find it from like a pistol to missiles actually. Counterfeiting section to store to buy passports, ID cards, credit cards, offshore bank accounts. These are all fake. See store, not this links. Apple Palace, low priced Apple products. Actually, Apple for Bitcoin, that's a quite famous link which provides cheap Apple products. See, here it is, Apple's for Bitcoins. Millionaire Private Club, Credit Card, PayPal, CC, onion name domain services, as we can see on the Surface web. The dark web also gives you domain services, fake ID generator, fake identity names, SSN, blogs section. These are just blogs which we can also see on the Surface web. Email services. Email services are kind of famous of the dark web. Actually, in email services, we can say Proton Mail is quite famous, because unlike mail services offered by Google, these are very secured and totally anonymous, so no one can track you here. Social networks, Tor 2.0, the Facebook of Tor. Share your memories, connect with others, and make friends. Actually, as we discussed in the earlier lectures, Tor also have a Facebook which is hosted on the dark web. Actually, the original Facebook has also a hosting on the dark website. Whistleblowing, deep web mirror of famous WikiLeaks websites. These are just leak section, leaked files of certain companies and things like that. File uploaders. This is just, we can say, the Google Drive section of the dark web. Audio services, video services, books. Okay, books section is quite famous because you can find any book, literally any book on the dark web, and for free actually. Titanium library gives 60 GB of Russian and English books. Comic book library, collection of comic books, largely independent. It's quite famous actually, comic book library. So the drug section. You can find any drug, literally any drug on the dark web. Coffee shop grade cannabis from the Netherlands. Weed and pot shop trading for longer than a year, and now weed, hash, benzos, ketamine, heroin, MDMA, digital crudes, all of them. Erotica section, we will not be talking about it because it's against the terms of Udemy. So these are non-English websites. Actually, the websites we saw previously were hosted in English, but these websites give actually the same services but are in different language. And on the dark web, there is nothing like Google Translate. So these websites are actually in different languages. But these are just IRC server configurations. Nothing we can visit and do anything. XMPP. These are just server data. So nothing of our work here. Onion cat addresses and nothing. These are just server related things. Dead hidden services. Do not simply remove services that appear. Okay, so this gives you a how to, you can report a fake link which is listed on this hidden wiki. Right, this service is very useful in determining whether onions are up or not. It also gives a reason why they are down. So actually on the dark web, first of all, you can find websites like they belong to 1990s, because majority of the websites hosted on the dark web are of like 2 to 3 pages max. Unlike on the surface web, you can find websites of hundreds of pages actually. So yeah, hidden wiki. Next hidden wiki, let's see it. So many links here also. Introduction points, small list of onions. Search engines, greasy search engine, Torch. Let's see Torch. Actually, Torch is quite famous because it directly searches in the dark web, right? Unlike DuckDuckGo that searches the clear net but can open .onion links, whereas Torch only opens or only searches in the, okay, it has been migrated. As I told earlier, these links are quite unstable. Many of the websites are not up, right? Because this is a dark web. Several times the government is, not several times, every time the government is trying to crack things here. So Torch is the dark web browser actually. So let me search game here, right? Games, I know it's pretty out of the book topic, but it came to my mind, so I just searched it. So many ads here. Controller games for the PC. See, all these links have a .onion link actually, not .com or .org. So these are all, the dark websites. Expensive NSAs back, controller games. Okay, so for the sake of this course, we are only going to see the hidden wikis. In the next lecture, we'll be going to visit these websites. So not in this lecture. If you want to see these websites, you can visit the next lecture after completing this one. So other general stuff: marketplace, easy coin, Bitcoin wallet. Actually, these are Bitcoin wallets which are online. Even Bitcoin wallets are found on the surface web. Onion identity services, selling passports and ID cards. Rent a hacker, hacking, DDoS. high quality UK passports, USA drivers fake licenses, European arms dealer, cheap Apple products for Bitcoin. Apple for Bitcoin was also listed on the previous website, previous hidden wiki. Kamagra for Bitcoin, same as Viagra but cheaper. Okay. Tor upload services. These are just again hosting services, file sharing, image hosting, Pastebin, web hosting. Other blog section is like like mm, the surface web. Nothing is different about it. People just come and write their overviews. So blog about whatever wants to talk about. It's all about the intel and knowledge, whistleblowing, technology blog, Yesha back with Cohn's journal and some other stuff. These are just, I think, random things people have written in their blogs. Forums or boards. Actually, forums is like a community or a group of people talking about a particular topic, right? So that's forum. Email services. Yes, email services are quite famous. Chat rooms, again, same as forums, but not a particular topic. You can chat anything about them, any topic. Social networks, again, political advocacy, whistleblowing. HPA WVC, okay, includes cables currently redacted or offline or nothing. HPA WVC, hack, fake, anarchy, virus, crack. Brahma, Linux wireless mobile tech consortium in Poland. School hacker, okay. Paper describing highly audio services, video services, library, drug related. Actually, I think drug related service were more in the previous hidden wiki. Let's see. Actually, yeah, this are just articles related to drugs. Where is the drug section in here? Drug section. Oh yeah, here it is. Anonymous marketplace for all kind of drugs. So many links, and here only are two. I think these are articles, not the section which sell drugs actually. Weapons training, collection of forbidden sites and how to's. Making weapons, military training and related subjects. You see some very things like you cannot find on the surface web, right? ClearNet web page, anonymously share research papers. So here is the drug section actually, where you can find drugs. Community adult section, no, skip it. The dark web is filled with this kind of stuff. Adult section actually uncategorized. Actually the whole dark web is uncategorized, but it's okay. Websites in different languages: Korean, Russian, Spanish, Swedish, so many of them. So there are plenty of links listed on the hidden wikis, and if you search the hidden wikis, more hidden wikis, if you visit them, you'll find many links. But again, this is a very risky thing, because these websites all are not legit. I'll say some are legit but not all. So the hidden wiki onion, you can, if you want to find hidden wikis on the surface web, you can just write hidden wiki onion or on your Google Chrome, or also on the Tor browser, DuckDuckGo, because it searches only the surface web. So hidden wiki Tor onion links. See, this website is actually hosted on the surface web, but all the links here are in the form of that onion link. So you can also open it from here. That's the reason, that's the way how you can find any onion link from the surface web. Actually, you can also find several hidden wikis from the surface web. Okay guys, that's it for this lecture. After completion of this lecture, my advice would be, first you clear this chapter, that is surfing the dark web, and then actually try to access the dark web, because we only saw the links, not visited it. And it may be dangerous, and it's quite dangerous actually, more 100 times dangerous than visiting the surface web. But we will learn the security options. We can implement them to save ourselves from any kind of threats. So again, don't now try to visit these dark webs. I know these links are kind of interesting things, but don't just without any safety, don't just visit these links. Okay, in the next lecture we are actually going to visit this ones. So And thank you very much for viewing this lecture. Again, safety is more important, right? Thank you very much. See you in the next one.